And we're here at Media City because of the complicity of the media in allowing a genocide being shown on our TV live without any retribution or comment. Yesterday, I was listening to the news in the morning, and there was a consultant speaking on the news. So you always think, well, at least they're giving a voice, but they don't follow it up. It's not 24 hours, it's just a few minutes of the most horrendous message, and then the Israeli response, it's all lies, and then it carries on. Now, I don't know if anybody heard this yesterday, but the surgeon is a very prominent surgeon from Britain. He goes quite often to Gaza and speaks and does surgery, and is there at the moment. And what he said was that they were having so many people with malnutrition. Now, usually when there's malnutrition, a lot of aid gets in to feed those children, to get them stronger. Dying of malnutrition is not a nice way to die. It's painful, it affects your brain, it affects your organs. It is a terrible way to die. And he said all they had to give the children who are dying is sugar water.